alaikum
wa rahmatullahi wa
wa
barakatuh.
barakatuhu.
As the famous proverb goes, behind every successful man is a woman.
But behind every successful woman, there is the woman herself.
So, ladies and gentlemen,
Get ready to meet and get inspired from few of the many powerful women. We all know that the first wife and follower of the Prophet. But this is often overshadows the fact that she was an indomitable businesswoman in a male-dominant society. She was a woman who went after what she wanted and didn't let society influence her. Khadija broke all barriers back then, and she is a constant reminder of what a woman can achieve. Ibtihaj Muhammad. Ibtihaj Muhammad is an American fencer and the first Muslim woman ever to wear a hijab while representing the US in Olympics. She is a 5-time senior world medalist, proving that there is nothing a Muslim woman cannot do.
Razia Sultana. Sultan Razia was the only female ever to rule the Delhi Sultanate. As a woman, she refused to be treated differently, taking the title Sultan over Sultana because the latter implied wife or mistress of a sultan, which she wasn't. She believed that women were capable of achieving anything and everything, and this she proved again and again.
Anausheh Ansari. Anausheh is best known for being the first Muslim woman and the first ever self-funded woman to go to space, often called the first female space tourist and space ambassador. She is an Iranian-American engineer and businesswoman who made headlines for spending 8 days at the International Space Station. She has proven that women too can dream and reach for stars.
Malia Bhuatia. Malia made headlines as the first black Muslim woman to be elected the national president of the National Union of Students in the UK. She used her position to campaign against the government's prevent strategy and called for greater diversity. Not surprisingly, she faced a lot of criticism, but she stuck to her principles and brought about a revolutionary change in the society.
Yasmin El-Hadi. Born in Egypt and raised in Alabama, Yasmin is an incredible attorney and public policy specialist. She uses her vast expertise to act as a human rights activist. She was featured in the Washington Post and educates and produces online videos to counsel her peers.
Funmi Abari. At the age of only 16, she became the first non-elected member to make a speech in the House of Commons. As a 24-year-old, she set up the Equal Empowerment Project, which aims to serve communities by tackling cultural norms that feed into sexual abuse behavior in the Gambia. She is committed to creating a better world for all, and we all are better off for it.
Dr. Hawa Abdia. Dr. Hawa is a Somali human rights activist and physician. She is also the founder of Hawa Abdu Foundation, an NGO providing emergency relief to Somalia, and that has helped around 2 million people to date. Their mission is to create access to basic human rights in Somalia through building sustainable institutions in healthcare, education, and agriculture, often referred to as the Saint of Somalia.
Carolyn Walker. She is an American lawyer and first Muslim woman to be elected as judge in the US. On December 10, 2015, she took her ceremonial oath as the founder of several Girl Scout troops in New York. She has been featured as the top 15 inspirational women around the world.
Malala Yousafzai. At the age of only 20, Malala is the youngest Nobel Prize laureate and is most widely known for her work advocating female education. She was shot by a Taliban gunman in 2012, But this did not stop her, and she has only become more committed to ensuring young girls are given the right to education.
Fatima Al-Fihri, best known as the founder of the world's oldest standing university and library. She founded Al-Qarawiyya, which according to the Guinness World Record is the oldest existing institute in the world. Wealthy and well-educated, Fatima refused to let knowledge be something only a few could attain and chose to spend her entire inheritance on building the historic institution.
Nusayba bint Ka'ab. Nusayba was the Islam's first female warrior who fought alongside the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. During the Battle of Uhud, when she realized that people were fleeing away and leaving the Prophet exposed, she picked up a sword and dove into the battle. This proved truly that strength is a matter of a made-up mind.
Begum Ruqya. Her accomplishment ranged from being a writer to social activist to finding the first ever school for girls in Bengal. All of her written works reflected her ideologies, and she continued to fight against the mindset of her time. She founded the Muslim Women's Association and spent her entire life championing women. There is no limit to what we as women can accomplish.
A woman with a voice is by definition a strong woman, but the search to find that voice can be remarkably difficult.
Here's to strong women. May we know them, may we be them,
And may we raise them. Thank you.